Are you waking up with numb hands? Are your legs stiff, making it harder to stand or walk? It's not just aging. It's collagen loss creeping up on you. And here's the shocking part. Most people over 60 have no idea that the solution could be as simple as eating the right fruits. Welcome to Healthy Aging Life, where we share real, science-backed tips to help you feel your best, no matter your age. Today, we're tackling something that affects millions of older adults every day. Joint pain, tingling hands, and weakness in the legs. These are not just signs of aging, they're a result of collagen breakdown, and the good news? There's a natural way to fight back. In this video, we'll reveal the 8 most powerful, collagen-boosting fruits you must eat after 60 to restore strength, reduce pain, and feel more agile. Trust me, if you're tired of feeling stiff, sore, or numb, you'll want to stay tuned to the end. You won't believe how much a simple change in your diet can impact your quality of life. But here's the real question. Have you ever thought about what fruits could help you rebuild that lost collagen? And which ones can make a real difference in how your joints feel? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. What's your favorite fruit? And if you're excited to learn the secret to feeling better at any age, hit that like button, share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to Healthy Aging Life for more amazing tips just like this. Now, let's dive into the amazing fruits that can transform how you feel. Starting with the most powerful one on our list. Stay with us, because your healthier, more mobile self is just a few bites away. Let's kick things off with a fruit that you might not be familiar with, but is incredibly powerful when it comes to collagen regeneration. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This fruit may not be widely available in every grocery store, but its benefits are truly remarkable, especially for those dealing with the effects of aging. Amla is one of the most potent natural sources of vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen production. In fact, just a small serving of Amla contains more vitamin C than an orange, making it a powerhouse for anyone looking to maintain healthy collagen levels as they age. But here's the real magic behind Amla. It doesn't just help produce new collagen. It also protects the collagen your body already has. As we get older, collagen begins to break down, especially in our joints. Amla works by blocking the enzymes that cause this breakdown and activating fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for producing collagen fibers. This helps to preserve your joints and keep them from deteriorating. Amla also contains polyphenol, a type of antioxidant that helps your body absorb and use vitamin C more effectively. These antioxidants reduce inflammation, which is crucial when it comes to joint health. So, not only is Amla rebuilding your collagen, but it's also helping to keep your joints from swelling or feeling stiff. Don't just take my word for it, there's science behind it. In one study on older adults, those who consumed Amla regularly saw a 42% reduction in knee pain and a 24% increase in collagen density. That's not just a feeling, it's real, measurable improvement. Imagine this, you're walking up the stairs and feeling less pain, or standing up from your favorite chair without that stiff, achy feeling in your knees. That's what Amla can help you achieve. Now, you might be wondering, how can I add Amla to my routine? Well, it's quite easy. Amla is available in powder form, which you can add to smoothies, tea, or even just mix with warm water, honey, and a bit of lemon. If you prefer the juice, you can find that as well. Just be careful to pick a version without added sugars. Though Amla is a bit sour on its own, soaking it in salt water overnight can make it easier to eat raw. But don't worry, even a small daily dose of Amla can have noticeable effects. It might take a few days, but as you continue, you'll feel your joints moving with more ease, and those sharp, tingly sensations in your hands may start to fade. Now, before we move on to the next fruit, I have a question for you. Have you ever tried Amla before? Or maybe you've used it in other ways, like in skincare or as a supplement. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. So, with that in mind, let's move on to another fruit that's equally as powerful, strawberries. Next up, let's talk about a fruit that most of us love, strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a powerful ally in protecting and preserving collagen as we age. Strawberries are incredibly effective in preventing collagen breakdown before it even starts. The compounds in strawberries help to reduce inflammation and prevent joint damage, which is key for those who experience discomfort or stiffness in their knees, hips, or other joints. As we age, collagen naturally begins to break down, leading to weakened joints and a decrease in mobility. But strawberries can help. By including them regularly in your diet, you give your body the necessary tools to preserve collagen and maintain joint health. Studies show that older adults who eat strawberries frequently can reduce pain and inflammation by up to 37%. That's a significant reduction that can make a real difference in daily life. There's research to back up these claims. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers found that individuals with knee osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily experienced a 37% reduction in pain and inflammation. They didn't change anything else in their routine, just added strawberries to their diet. It's amazing to think that a simple, everyday fruit like strawberries can have such a profound effect on joint health. If you're struggling with stiff or swollen joints, strawberries could be just the thing you need. The great thing about strawberries is that they're easy to add to your daily routine. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to smoothies, or mix them into yogurt for an extra boost. They're versatile, tasty, and packed with nutrients. However, be careful with strawberry jams or preserves. These often contain high amounts of sugar, which can actually contribute to inflammation, counteracting the benefits you're trying to gain from the fruit itself. Stick with fresh strawberries or freeze them to enjoy year-round. For best results, try eating strawberries in the morning. After a light stretch or short walk, your blood flow is active, making it the perfect time to absorb the nutrients from the strawberries and allow your body to go into repair mode. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you like to eat your strawberries? Do you add them to your morning routine or enjoy them as a snack? Drop your favorite strawberry recipe or snack idea in the comments below, and let's share some healthy inspiration. Let's talk about another fruit that's not only delicious, but also packed with benefits for your joints: blueberries. These tiny berries are known for being great for brain health, but what most people don't realize is that they're also fantastic for joint health. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting collagen in your body. Anthocyanins in blueberries are key in preventing collagen breakdown. They work by blocking the enzymes that break down collagen, which helps keep your joints healthy and strong. At the same time, anthocyanins stimulate your body to repair any damage to tissues and cartilage. If you're experiencing joint pain, blueberries can help repair damaged cartilage and reduce inflammation. Studies have shown that eating blueberries regularly can improve joint mobility and reduce swelling. For example, older adults who ate blueberries every day experienced a 38% improvement in joint movement, and they had significantly less swelling in their legs and lower body after just 2 weeks. That's not just a small improvement, it's a noticeable difference. Now, I know you might be wondering if there's actual science to back this up. The answer is yes. A study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that eating blueberries daily led to a 38% improvement in joint movement. These participants also experienced less swelling in their legs and lower body. So, if you're dealing with stiff or painful joints, adding blueberries to your diet might just be the simple fix you've been looking for. Incorporating blueberries into your diet is easy. You can enjoy them fresh, add them to your morning oatmeal, or toss them into a smoothie. If you really want the best results, go for wild blueberries. They have double the antioxidants of regular blueberries, giving you even more healing power. Blueberries are delicious on their own, but they're also a great addition to so many meals. You can mix them into yogurt or even enjoy them as a snack. One thing to avoid: blueberry muffins or fruit bars. These are often loaded with sugar, which can add to inflammation. Stick with the real, fresh fruit for the best benefits. I'd love to know, how do you like to enjoy your blueberries? Do you prefer them fresh, or maybe in a smoothie? Drop your favorite ways to eat them in the comments below. Let's share some healthy ideas and help each other improve our joint health. With that, we've seen how blueberries can help protect your joints and promote collagen health. Now, let's move on to the next fruit in our list. Blackberries. Now, let's talk about another small but incredibly powerful fruit. Blackberries. These little berries are packed with anthocyanins, manganese, and other antioxidants, which help protect and regenerate collagen in your body. The anthocyanins in blackberries work to protect collagen from breaking down. They help block the enzymes that cause collagen destruction, keeping your joints and tissues strong and healthy. But blackberries don't stop there. They also help reduce inflammation and pain in the joints, which is crucial as we get older. Another great benefit of blackberries is their ability to improve blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your joints and muscles, helping to repair and rebuild tissues more efficiently. That's key to keeping your body moving comfortably and pain-free. If you're wondering whether there's scientific evidence to back this up, the answer is yes. A study found that blackberries could reduce inflammation by up to 25% in older adults with joint issues. That's a significant reduction in swelling and discomfort. Imagine how much better your knees, hips, or back could feel with less inflammation. Blackberries can be part of that solution, helping you move more freely and feel more comfortable every day. The best way to get the benefits of blackberries is to eat them fresh. You can add them to smoothies, mix them into your yogurt, or simply enjoy them as a snack. The great thing is that they're versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you're looking for maximum health benefits, eat them as they are, fresh and raw. Avoid processed versions like blackberry jam or canned berries, as they often contain added sugars that can contribute to inflammation. I'm curious, do you enjoy blackberries as part of your daily routine? How do you like to eat them? Drop your favorite ways to enjoy blackberries in the comments below. Let's share some tips on how to add more of these healthy fruits into our diets. With that, we've covered how blackberries can help protect collagen, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints feeling great. Now, let's move on to the next fruit in our list. Guava. Let's talk about a fruit that often goes unnoticed but is a real powerhouse when it comes to health. Guava. Guava is packed with vitamin C, 4 times more than an orange. It's one of the best fruits for collagen regeneration and reducing joint inflammation, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain joint health and fight the effects of aging. Guava helps your body produce new collagen and protect the collagen you already have. Its antioxidants slow down the breakdown of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy, strong joints. By including guava in your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay ahead of collagen loss. This is especially important for older adults, who may start noticing stiffness, joint pain, or other signs of aging as collagen breaks down. Guava also helps improve skin elasticity, so it not only benefits your joints but can make your skin feel younger and more vibrant. There's solid research to back up the benefits of guava. A study found that people who ate guava every day experienced a noticeable reduction in inflammation and improved skin elasticity. This research shows that guava can play an important role in reducing chronic inflammation, which is often the source of joint pain and discomfort in older adults. Guava's high vitamin C content also helps your body rebuild collagen, so you can maintain your flexibility and strength as you age. The best way to get the full benefits of guava is by eating it raw with the skin on. The skin contains a lot of fiber and antioxidants, which is where most of the health benefits lie. You can enjoy guava on its own, or add it to smoothies for an extra boost of nutrients. It's naturally sweet and has a unique flavor, so it's a refreshing and easy fruit to incorporate into your diet. Just be mindful of guava juice or processed guava snacks, as they often contain added sugars which can contribute to inflammation. Fresh guava is the way to go for maximum health benefits. I want to know, have you ever tried guava before? How do you like to enjoy it? Do you prefer eating it fresh, or have you tried it in smoothies or other dishes? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's share some guava-inspired ideas to make it even easier to include this powerful fruit in our daily routine. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of guava, let's move on to another powerful fruit, papaya. Let's now talk about papaya, a tropical fruit that's not only delicious but packed with health benefits. Papaya is rich in an enzyme called papain, which helps your body break down protein and absorb nutrients more easily. It also plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for joint health, skin elasticity, and overall vitality. The enzyme papain in papaya is especially helpful for joint health. It helps regenerate tissues around the joints and reduces inflammation. By reducing inflammation, papaya supports the repair and healing of damaged tissue, which is critical for those who experience stiffness or pain in their knees, hips, or other joints. Papaya doesn't just help with joint health. It also supports collagen production. This means it helps you maintain the strength and flexibility of your connective tissues, allowing for easier movement and less pain. There's science to back up the claims about papaya's benefits. A study found that older adults with joint issues who ate papaya regularly experienced a reduction in pain and a significant increase in joint flexibility after just 2 weeks. That's pretty impressive for something as simple as adding a tropical fruit to your diet. Just like how celebrities like Arnold Schwarzenegger emphasize the importance of staying active and taking care of your body as you age, papaya can be a natural way to support your body's recovery and maintain joint health. One of the best ways to get the benefits of papaya is by eating it fresh. You can enjoy it as a snack, add it to a smoothie, or even make a refreshing papaya salad. Papaya is sweet, juicy, and loaded with vitamin C, which is also vital for collagen production. If you want to get the full benefit, eat the papaya when it's fully ripe. The ripe fruit is soft, sweet, and packed with the enzymes and antioxidants your body needs. You can even add a squeeze of lime to boost the vitamin C content even more. Just make sure to avoid eating green, unripe papaya raw. While the unripe fruit contains enzymes, it's best cooked for safety. I'm curious, how do you like to eat your papaya? Do you enjoy it fresh, or maybe in a smoothie? Or perhaps you've added it to your favorite recipes? Let me know in the comments below. It's always fun to hear how everyone incorporates healthy fruits into their diets. So, we've explored 8 amazing collagen-rich fruits that can help improve joint health and reduce symptoms like joint pain, tingling hands, and weak legs as you age. These fruits have been proven effective through scientific studies, and the key takeaway here is that maintaining a healthy diet, combined with active lifestyle habits, can lead to a healthy, energetic life in your golden years. Incorporating these fruits into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference in just a short period. You'll feel the benefits: fewer aches, more flexibility, and overall better mobility. If you haven't already, try adding them to your diet today and see the results for yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these fruits already? Or perhaps you've noticed improvements in your joint health after making small changes to your diet. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We all love sharing our health journeys and learning from each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future health tips and videos that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.